name is Wayne Bowes, eh?
Mr. Bowes?
Yeah, Wayne Bowes, B-O-W-E-S.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell us what happened to your home during the hurricane, please.
It get devastated, you know.
Mhm.
I can see a very old structure, well dilapidated before, and when the storm a blow the night, may I say, oh, come like it, I go take on the whole life.
Yeah?
So when we see one of the side drop, and my brother over there, so,
Mhm.
he say, what happened? I say, the side of the house drop, and he say, if you come over, you know.
So, during the night, the roof blew off or what
Yeah.
happened?
The roof totally blow up on the side, drop like the whole house and come down.
Right.
Because the house over 300 years old, me understand.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because it nail up, I pin the roof pin on.
Wow.
You know, you understand pin? Then bore it and wait it like.
Right.
Yeah.
So, I see that the JAHJAH Foundation has decided to give you some help with a
Yeah, man,
replacement structure here.
I'm
Tell us about that.
I'm very much appreciate it, you know. Words can't too much to say. Yeah. We're
Yeah.
respectful.
Better than what you had.
Yeah, man. Way better, man. Way better. Eh? Cause I can say that
But it's a small house, one room, it's a one-room house. How can it be better?
yeah, more structured, you know.
It's more solid.
Yeah, more solid.
Okay.
Cause I can't say that while I sleep on the ground over there for 5 months straight.
Over there?
5 months straight, I sleep on the
Come show
ground.
me over there. Come show me inside there and show me what. Alright, so start at the beginning at the door here now. So this is the home. This is
Yeah,
what the
correct.
house used to be.
Eh?
How long you been living here?
I would say, from here you, but maybe go migrate to the Bahamas and then me get the accident, eh?
Oh, you
I'm
got
come back.
injured in the Bahamas.
Yeah, and I come back and get covered. So, I should get stuck right on the place.
So you're in there during the storm, right?
Yeah, I'm in bed, I don't mean to move the bed yet, eh?
Oh, it was 2 rooms.
Yeah, 2 rooms, eh?
Oh, so that's the other room devastated over there.
Over here, so, the bed over here, so.
Right.
But all of this come down.
Oh.
See, I'm on the bed. See the bed under there? I don't mean to move it
Yeah,
yet,
see
eh?
the bed. Yeah, see the foot of the bed right here.
And the mattress and everything, eh?
Right.
I can't see me out my clothes and all of this. I have my jacket suit and my wig on my
Yeah,
shirt.
somebody needs to clear out the room, though.
Yeah, yeah.
The room needs to clear out.
Clear out and take down the whole structure.
Right.
Because I have my jacket suit, I lose the first one in an accident, you know.
Oh.
Yeah.
So after the storm now, where were you living now after the storm? Right in this section?
The first night I asked her. But when Paul and his wife come there and say, my wife said to move it go down there, so.
Okay.
So I just sleep for 5 months straight. And July,
You slept there for 5 months?
straight, right there, so.
Wow. On the floor?
Yeah, right there, so see the bed there, so. Me have
You mean that's the bed right there?
Yeah, the bed and the 2 pieces of foam where she lie down in there.
Oh, why don't you bring them over the phone over to the other house?
After the house finished, bring it over there. Eh?
Right. So how do you feel about the JAHJAH Foundation stepping up now to help you back with a little home here now?
Yeah, man, it's well appreciated, man.
Yeah?
I think they can do more for the people, because no people about it also, you know.
Enough more
I
people?
never talk about myself. Because after this, I like do a little business, I like get a little eagle and a finance to do a little fishing. Sell a little fish.
Like fried fish?
No, man, buy the pound, if you go to Newmarket or if Manchester where it's hard to get it.
So you have a ride?
No, man, we can go on the bus, man.
Oh, we'll
Well,
go
that's
on
the
the
and
bus.
all them things, man.
So this is the lamp here?
Yeah, I'm in lamp, I'm in stove, eh?
Your lamp and your stove.
Yeah, but the stove burn out, you know. One time I gas too.
The stove burn out and you need a gas.
Yeah, I got gas right now. I love coffee, you know.
Oh, you like to wake up and make a coffee in the morning?
I like, man, and read book.
Mm.
I see me have a set of encyclopedia, the thesaurus there.
Right.
And
You
after
see this
the-
train over here, some nice dishes tonight.
Yeah, man, so I like chandelier, I like crystal, you know.
Mm-hmm.
If you notice, you know, no plastic to it.
Right.
See? The burner drop out, eh?
The burner drop out of the stove.
Yeah.
You see.
And next one actually burn out, you know.
Right. The Dutch pot nice though. The
Yeah.
Dutch pot them nice.
Yeah, man. But the gas kind of done, you know, so I can't drink the coffee, you know. Yeah, man, I like that, you know.
You need for money?
No.
But it's 4 o'clock.
Yeah, but I like a regular roti. I not tell you the truth. I bought some sardine and thing over there. I cook them and a whole bag of rice from son to me. But no gas and no money to buy nothing else. No seasoning and some things that when I come now, I appreciate when I get something here.
Right.
But
So you're happy with the help that the JAHJAH Foundation has been giving us so
more
far?
than happy.
Right.
Words can express it, you know.
Come take us over to the new home here and come show us what has happened over here. is a new setup here.
Yeah, a new thing there. The bed when I just tell you about now. And the 5-month bed is because a man buy a power box and give me them, you know. Do the fixed tie over there. And I just take them out and they stick on 5 months straight.
Right.
See?
So you're more comfortable over here?
Yeah, well comfortable, man. Sometimes we don't better lock the door, you know. You see window slide window, man.
I see.
I take window, man.
Nice slide window.
Yeah.
What about the roof?
Nice, man. The cabin and everything. The father and our ability, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man. I'm a professional builder, man. I'm building the biggest house in Boston.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
So you're okay with the setup?
Yeah, man. Well appreciated, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. I'm not telling you lie, you know.
My name is Roy Roden.
Mr. Roden, I understand that you're a painter.
Yes, sir.
How long have you been a painter?
Oh, from I was 13.
13 years old.
Yeah.
What? Down here in the Black River area.
No, only 1 or 2 times I work down here.
Where are you originally from? Where do you?
Longwood.
Longwood, where's that?
Yeah. Up the road.
Oh, in Santa Cruz area.
Yeah.
Alright, so you were given the job to paint this home from Mr. Bowes.
Yeah.
Tell us about it.
It's okay.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
It was an easy job for you. Easy thing.
Yeah, because I know I can do it.
Right.
Yeah.
How do you feel knowing that you're contributing to helping Mr. Bowes get back on his feet with his home?
Yeah, we have to help each other whenever it needed.
Right.
You know, so we just have to ride with the tide.
Right. Well, on behalf of the JAHJAH Foundation, I want to say thank you for coming on board with this project and helping out. Right?
Okay.
And God bless you. Right?
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Thanks for supporting. Please tell us what's going on here.
Right, so just after Hurricane Beryl, you can look across there was where Wayne Bowes was living. The house is totally devastated after the storm, and JAHJAH Foundation came on board. We did an investigation and inspection, and we realized that Wayne Bowes is needed, in need of this help. And then we went straight into action, and we have started this project. It is 90% completed. It's a 1-bedroom, bathroom and kitchen facility. The building officers from the parish council, the St. Elizabeth Municipal Corporation, came down and they were very impressed with the structure. It is up to standard, and we want to express thank you to the sponsors of JAHJAH Foundation, and to let them know that whatever resource and assistance given is well accounted for, and investigation and the necessary groundwork was put in place, and as you can see, Mr. Bowes is appreciative of it.
All right, well, thank you, Mr. Porter. Dr. Trevor Dixon, let's talk a little about this project here that the JAHJAH Foundation took on.
Well, first of all, I want to say I'm so grateful for the support and sponsorship that we get the JAHJAH Foundation. Because without support and sponsorship, we can't make dreams come true for people who ask for nothing more than just having a roof over their head. So that's the first part of this project, having the funds, because it takes cash to care, right? And we were blessed because every project we take on, we don't take it on unless we have what's called a local champion, And Mr. Jermaine Porter was quickly identified. Dr. Fu identified in front of Black River Hospital. Dr. Fu said, he's a good man. I know him for many years. He has been helping those indigent folks in St. Elizabeth and the Black River area for years, and I trust him. Now that there's a hurricane, there are a lot of folks who are going to come in here and try to take advantage of the situation, but I know that Jermaine Porter won't. So that was our local champion. And every step of the way, Jermaine has been communicating with me. He took me around to see 7 different communities, Vineyard, Hodges Land, Black River, Top Hill. We went to quite a few places, and these people are in need. They don't ask for much. And sure, Mr. Wayne could have stayed in that home, and everybody would be okay. Everybody would have drove past and said, "It's okay, it's Wayne," But he's a human being, and we believe that to whom much is given, much is expected. And he's not asking for much. He's just asking for a roof over his head. Anything that we all need. People speak about Maslow hierarchy of needs. We need food and shelter, and that's all a man asking for. And I'm happy that we were able, through the support that the JAHJAH Foundation received, that we could have said, you know what, we're going to put the ambulance project a little bit behind and help out these people who are devastated in the St. Elizabeth area. And Mr. Jermaine Porter actually made it happen, because if it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have invested our supporters' fundraising dollars into this project. So thank you, Mr. Jermaine Porter, from the bottom of my heart and from all the supporters of the JAHJAH Foundation. Thank you for your efforts, and it's a continuous effort. You see, we're about 90% complete, but we want to make it nice. The finish is important, as it's just at the start. The finishing project is important. So we're going to tile out the floors for him and get him a kitchen and a bathroom. And when he first came here, we weren't able to promise him much because we weren't sure how far the dollars would stretch, you know. So he said, I want to have a veranda too, you know. And now he can. Now he wants to have a porch. Yeah. So guess what? You know, we're going to make it happen for him, and he doesn't ask so much. So thank you, Mr. Porter. Thank you, Mr. Wayne, for trusting us that we would keep our word.
Mr. Boss.
Yeah.
Let's start with the color of the house. Are you happy with the color?
Yeah, because the first year black in about why we say black still, we love the Jamaican flags, and the biggest part of the Jamaican flags are the black.
Right.
But them convinced me say black are too much heat, eh?
Right.
They go dry, but me say support us, I get the paint, but me say, support I get the paint and he ask me the color. But when him carry the paint come today, I was so impressed about the color.
Right.
Trust me, you know.
You like
man, yeah man, me say, are you pick the color, Mr. Porter?
No, Dr. Dix.
Yeah, the color well appreciated, because my brother inside we see one walk out in peep to the window and say he love the color too.
Oh,
everybody pass them say them love the color.
I call it mustard yellow. And you know the story about the mustard seed.
Right.
So hopefully we can do a lot more homes. This is just the beginning, and as long as we get the fundraising dollars, we're here to stay. We're the real deal.
So do you foresee yourself being comfortable here, sir?
Yeah man, you come like me have bed and everything, although I don't have no bed in here.
Not yet.
Don't worry, that is the least. We will help you with that.
Yeah, but me say you come like me have bed, because I lie down at night time and the rain fall sometimes. The vapor you start blow upon me, I get up in the morning, it's stuffy. You know?
So now when rain falls, you just laugh.
No.
The rain can't touch you now.
You just see the pitter patter upon the roof like
Like real zinc.
yeah, like Ernest Smith has seen pitter patter, eh?
Yeah.
No, the house is not yet finished. I want to be the first one to say congratulations on your new home.
Yeah.
The JAHJAH Foundation.
Yeah, man.
Uh,
Big up JAHJAH
always
Foundation all the
working for
time.
Jamaicans, you know.
Yeah. And big up Mr. Porter first and everything, you know.
Right. Enjoy your home. It's gonna be finished soon.
Yeah, man.
God bless you, right?
Yeah, man.
And
Respect.
thank you for trusting the JAHJAH Foundation to get this done.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well,
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure, Doc. It's my pleasure.
Give thanks and praise unto JAHJAH Foundation, you know. All that him already done and what him still doing, you know. I hope he might do more for the poor set of people. And that's why I'm going to do it.
Right.
See? And continue to live long and long life, health and strength to JAHJAH Foundation, eh? God bless you all, eh?
Right. Thank you.
Yeah, the man looks simple, you know.
You don't look like a doctor.
you know, look like a doctor.
Oh, a doctor look.
A doctor, a man look like a doctor and a
Look white.
jacket and tie.
Look white.
Jacket and tie.
And bush jacket.
Yeah.